Guys, today we talk about how can you choose an SMS count on your Amazon shipping app. So you just follow this way and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do next is just scrolling down here until you will find the reminders here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list until you will find the announcements count. Just click on it. So then here can you select your announcement count in this list here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.